Hey, good morning. It's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. Hey, you know what today is, guys? It is Take Action Tuesday. And normally I would post something related to job seekers as like a static picture, but I'm trying something different on video today. And I know that there's a dimensional element you get with video that you don't get when you see a static image. So this would be the picture I would normally post on LinkedIn, right? And it would be something like this, showcasing, and in this case, I'm doing a free LinkedIn for Job Seekers webinar series. And I would say, hey, click the link below and check it out. And you don't get me talking, you don't get me as a personality, right? So I figured I'd try this as a video today, and I want to encourage you guys, you guessed it, to click the link below and check out my upcoming webinar series. If you are unemployed and in career transition looking for your next job, it's a great way to learn from me, learn some great LinkedIn insights, and also to network with fellow job seekers. So check out the link below, and please add a comment so your network sees this post. Take care and have a wonderful Tuesday, guys.